In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Hey Jude by the Beatles. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
Classic sing-along, Hey Jude by the Beatles. I remember seeing this on TV back in the way back in the day. Paul McCartney delivering it and everybody singing along. If you like what you're seeing, please leave a comment, check in with me, hit me up, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. So this one we're doing in the original key, which is the key of F. And I'm going to run through the song now for you. So it starts out as generally on piano as an intro, and then the band comes in later. But hey Jude, F to C, C7, back to your F, then B flat, back to your F, C, then you can start to F. Hey Jude, F to C, C7, F to B flat, back to your F, turn around to a C, to F7th. Now here comes the bridge part. Now here I do a little walk down. B flat with an A, G, F, C, back to F7. And again, walk down. This is cool little walk down. C. Back to the verse. Now, let me go over that little walk down because that's the hardest part of this song.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
So when we're going to the B section of it, before you do, I went to an F7th, right? It's a bar chord. But a cool way to do that, in a lot of this stuff we're sort of arranging for acoustic guitar, right? So you can play it at home. So it goes to the F, and then walk this down. See how I did that? I took the F chord and I went, and on the D string I just walked it down. That's a cool little lick to put in there. That's going to set you up. Let it out and let it in. And then go to your B flat. Now this one, watch the way I do this. You got a B flat bar chord, right? And all you got to do is leave this here and just walk this down. Open A, second finger, third fret on the G. See how I did that? Kind of an effective walk down. And I like to go to F here. So really this finger never moves, this B flat. You could do it here. But it sounds better to do like this. It really flows. To G, to F, and then to C. 7, and walk it down effective to get to that F7. You can just do a straight F7 like that, but if you go, it's effective. Walk down B flat. G to C, 7th. Ba 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 C. And back to Hey Jude. Don't make it C. C7. B flat. F. And at the very end. All right, here's the outro for Hey Jude. It goes into that big, everybody's singing along, it goes F to E flat, B flat, F, E flat, B flat. I'm trying to think of an easy way for you to do the E flat, but there is no easy way to do E flat here. You just think of it like a D, you know, when you do a D chord, you know, or you might do it like this. So move that up half a step. Now, if you're comfortable with bar chords, you could just go. A lot of you are probably comfortable with that E flat, and then B flat. You can start up here. F. Stretchy E flat, which if you're familiar with the cage system, it's like a C form, right? All the way up here. And then B flat. Classic Beatles tune, Hey Jude. We'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.